Welcome to this tutorial on how to configure site identity in basic settings. These settings play an important role in how your store operates, helping you manage key website information, customize platform behavior, and create a better experience for your customers. Let's get started. Click Site Identity to open the Site Identity Configuration panel, where you can update your store's branding elements. The site logo serves as the primary visual representation of your brand and is typically displayed in the website header, navigation areas, and other prominent locations throughout the store. Select Change to start the process of updating your site's logo images. Click Upload Files to open the File Selection dialog for uploading new logo images. Click the Upload area labeled Drop Files here to upload support formats, JPEG, PNG, etc. Also, take note of the max upload size, 200 megabytes, and max upload files, 50, to add your logo files. Find the file path of your image and select Open to upload your new logo image. Then click Media Library to browse and select your already uploaded image. Click here to choose your recently uploaded logo image from the Media Library. Click Select Image to confirm your choice of logo image for the site identity. The Site White logo is an alternative version of your logo designed for use on dark backgrounds, ensuring better visibility and brand consistency across different sections of the website. Select Change to update the site's white logo or related images for your store. Click Upload Files to add new images for the Site White logo. Click the Upload area labeled Drop Files here to upload support formats, JPG, JPEG, PNG, etc. Max upload size, 200 megabytes. Find the file path of your image and select Open to upload your new logo image. Now, in the Upload area, you will see images or logos that were uploaded by you. Click Media Library to access your recently added images. Select the image or logo you recently added. Click Select Image to confirm for your site identity. The site favicon is the small icon displayed in browser tabs, bookmarks, and other browser-related areas. Uploading a favicon helps visitors easily identify your website when multiple tabs are open. Click Change to change your site favicon for your store. Click Upload Files to add an image for your site favicon logo. Click the Upload area labeled Drop Files here to upload support formats, JPG, JPEG, PNG, etc. Max upload size, 200 megabytes. Find the file path of your image and select Open to upload your new logo image. Now, once again, in the Upload area, you will see images or logos that were uploaded by you. Remember, when we started, we had 0 images, but because we have uploaded 3 images, we can now see 3 images on the screen. Click Media Library to access the image you recently uploaded. Select the image you recently uploaded. Click Select Image to confirm your image choice for the site identity. Click Save Changes to apply all updates made to your site identity settings. Now, if you followed the steps carefully and correctly, your site logo, site favicon, and site white logo should be updated. And that's all for the site identity section. We would now be moving into the basic settings. Select Basic Settings from the General Settings drop-down to access general configuration options for your e-commerce platform. Choose a title that clearly represents your brand or business. The site tagline is a short phrase that describes your website or business. It helps communicate your store's purpose and can reinforce your brand identity. Use the footer copyright text field to define the copyright notice displayed in the footer of your website. This typically includes your business name, brand name, or copyright statement. Select the time zone that best matches your business operations. Use this option to control the appearance of the administrative dashboard. Maintenance mode allows you to temporarily restrict public access to your website while updates, modifications, or maintenance activities are being performed. This setting determines whether customers can place orders without creating an account. Use this option to control whether new users must verify their email address before accessing certain features or completing account registration. Email verification helps improve account security and ensures valid contact information is provided. The placeholder image is displayed whenever a product, category, or other content item does not have an assigned image. Uploading a suitable placeholder image helps maintain a consistent and professional appearance throughout the website. To upload a placeholder image, select Change, and then Upload. Click Save Changes to apply all updates made to your basic settings. And that's a wrap on site settings and basic settings. You've just learned how to customize your store's branding, configure core platform preferences, and manage important settings that influence the overall user experience. Up next, we'll dive into currency settings and cash on delivery, where you'll learn how to manage payment-related configurations for your store. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.